Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Beats Fit Pro. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now click on your headphones or it connected automatically. Cool, maybe it helped you, but if it doesn't, I recommend it to make a soft reset. So just put your headphones to the charging case, close the case. Right here we should have not connected. And after that, open it. Here we go, we have connected again. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Now, on iOS you should scroll down, on Android just click forget this device. Forget device again. And after that, click pair new device on your Android device. And if this LED light is blinking, it means that it's entered to pairing mode automatically. If it doesn't, just press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing. Click on it at the device list, and again we have connected. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, put your headphones to the charging case, of course, and then press and hold this connectional button until this LED light it starts flashing white and red. Here we go. Now, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!